Oh, is it? You saucy.
I'm back. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Katie. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna do something fun. I'm not gonna tell y'all ahead of time, cause I want y'all to watch this video, and I want y'all to subscribe, hit that button, all that, do all that for me. You feel me? Okay, so let's get into it. Now, judging by these items right here, this, that, and this. What do y'all think I'm about to make? What do y'all think I'm about to make? Y'all comment in the comment section and let me know what y'all think I'm about to make. Now, come on, let's get into it. just went through, like on some real, like y'all wouldn't even believe it, like, cause I didn't even video it or anything like that. But yo, I just went through the craziest thing. Like, look, I had to change the blender, bro. The freaking first one that I was using decided it wanted to leak from the bottom, so that means I was losing my stuff. So like now look how much I got left. But guess what? Show must go on, so we still gonna do what we doing, baby. Let's get it. Little bit. But you know what? It's never no OD with cinnamon. Cause I'm a cinnamon girl. Anything with cinnamon tastes better. Y'all, so my thing was not working. So this all I is zest my lemon, my lime. It's all cool. But guess what, like I said, the show must go on. So let's get it out. I feel like I'm being messed with. I feel like this video was not supposed to come out because, like, why am I struggling so bad? I'm struggling. And y'all want to be able to tell. Like, I don't see how flawless this is about to come out. Like, I'm struggling. But I'm still getting it done. That's the crazy thing. Like, yeah, now y'all just witnessed a little bit of my struggle. Now let's see how successful are we gonna be with getting this Now let's see how successful we can get this from here to here without dropping it. Let's see. Well, this is how much made it into the bottom, and I'm happy about that. the result. Look at that. We're gonna make a kremas. Hey, my Zosha know what that is. Like, so we about to taste it and see what it tastes like, because we know it's gonna taste good. Now I'm back again, and we about to do a taste test. We about to do a taste test. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh snap! I ain't put the little yummy. There we go. Yes, and it gave us our consistency that we needed. Look at this. Yes. All right. Y'all see it? Oh, this joint bussin'. Hey, and that was my first time making it. First time, hey. First time, hey. First time, hey. Y'all can't tell me nothing. That joint, like, Now, this is the end of the video, and it's been fun, real fun. So until next time, y'all, make sure you do me this favor and like. Make sure y'all drop a comment and tell me what y'all think I made, if y'all didn't already, you feel me? And share this video. Share it. That's it. It don't cost y'all nothing. So just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on my next one. Love y'all. Bye.
Ooh, is it you saucy?